Welcome. If you've ever wished you could delete emails in Gmail with just a simple swipe, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to set the right swipe action to delete emails in the Gmail app. This update makes cleaning up your inbox easier and faster than ever. First, unlock your phone and open the Gmail app. Once you're in your inbox, look at the top left corner of your screen. Here, you'll notice the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and tap on it. A sidebar will slide out from the left. Scroll down through the menu options until you see Settings and tap on it. If you have multiple accounts, select the one you want to change, or head straight to General Settings for app-wide modifications. Inside the General Settings, look for an option called Swipe Actions. Tap on that. You'll see 2 options, right swipe and left swipe. Since we want to set the right swipe to delete, tap on Change next to the right swipe option. A list of possible actions will appear. Select Delete from the choices available. Once you tap on it, your choice is automatically saved and set up. Now, head back to your inbox and give it a try. Swipe right on any email and watch as it's immediately sent to your trash. No more archiving when you really wanted to clear out space. Managing junk mail and unimportant messages is now just a swipe away. If you ever change your mind, you can return to the same Swipe Actions menu and pick a different action anytime. You can also customize the left swipe to fit your own workflow. That's it. Now you can keep your inbox tidy and organized with minimal effort. Try it out and feel the difference every time you open Gmail. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new, faster way to delete emails in the Gmail app.